Greetings, vac fans. I have a Miele SEB 228 power nozzle hooked up to a Callisto S5281, and I want to see how well it does in the extreme carpet edge cleaning. And we can put some down here right off the carpet edge, put some on top of the carpet. Lastly, we can put some underneath. We're down there. Alright, let's see what I can do for underneath. So, if you want to see how well it did with the 2-pass flour under the carpet test, take a look at my video labeled as such. I'll put a little more underneath so we don't have any dead spots in there. Alright, here we go. Got some in 3 places. And let's see what happens. 71 nozzle CFM right here. Well, that looks pretty good. So right here on top of the carpet, I'm not seeing anything at all. There's no little white band or anything like that, no smudges, that's good. Off to the side of the carpet, that's actually very good, and I'm not seeing a huge white line right on the edge as some other lower CFM machines do. Piece de resistance. Where is it? Alright, so we have some, it looks like it got most of it, but we have some spotting in there. So as you see the little white dots right around here, it definitely picked up a large amount, definitely probably say way over half, but we have some kind of smushed in there, but I'm not seeing on the edge, I'm just not seeing down here any carpet backing clogging. I'm not seeing any blobs. Oh, wait a minute. I found something. It's like, where did it go? So it moved some all the way over there. So isn't that interesting? So it picked some up and it moved it. So that's what some of the machines do. So that's still a pretty good result, but that's kind of interesting that, back up a little bit. So it moved it a ways. Huh, how about that? Alright, well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.